I want to get this done. Here's where we assign here's where we make our hills, our bell curves. Click on array 1. That's going to be our first hill. We're going to make these the home games for the Arizona defense. So I'm going to click B3 through J3. What's that? Underscore or dash. What do you mean?
The B3 to J.
Oh, it's a column. So you're just selecting. You can hit that number thing or that, and then select whatever cells you're going to look at. Yep. B3 to J3. What you can do, you'll see that it's not on mine, but you'll see kind of it looks like a little calculator or calendar or whatever. You can click that and then just select these cells. That's usually the easiest way. So let's go to array 2. You can also just type it in if you'd like. Array 2 is going to be my away game, so I'm going to select these. So this is L3 to T3. K. Don't worry about K. K is just the buy, so we're not even counting that. So the second one is L3 to T3. B3 to J3. First one is B3, and then that colon J3. L3 colon T3. We've told what we're going to compare. These are the numbers we are comparing. The two sets of numbers. Okay, on tails, we're just going to go 1. Remember, those tails, that 95% confidence interval, that's that area that hangs over, right? This is the area we're testing. I just want to test one side of that hill. Now for type, don't worry about this. Let's put 2. I think they play different, so I think it's kind of a different distribution, but we don't have to talk about that. Tails 1, type 2. Okay, hit return.
Okay.
Or okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. Hit okay. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to format this a little better, right? I'm only seeing one dot. So select the cell, right click, go format cells. And this should come up. I want you to select number, and let's put 2 decimal places in there. If you don't get it, it's okay. You can see 1 decimal place. I like 2. Now I'm going to hit OK. So now your number should read 0.22. Those hills overlap 22%. That's what that means. It's not much, but it's probably not significant. In fact, in science, we consider anything 5% or lower to be significant. Okay, we're going to do our drag function. We don't even have to paste this sucker. So let's go put your cursor right in the lower right corner till you get the crosshairs. And then drag it. Science! All right, we have now determined how different these are based on this number. To get this to look really cool, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to sort based on this column. What this is going to do, go ascending. Everybody with me? I put it right on the top of the t-test, and I sorted ascending.
Is this still highlighted, t-test?
Smallest to largest.
Is t-test still highlighted?
What do you mean?
Do we still have to have the class on it?
No, just put it right on the top. Put it right on the top and hit sort. Go smallest to largest, ascending. Small to big, whatever whatever it says on your computers.
Oh, wait.
Again, this is going to be recorded so you can see this later, but here's the deal. We have now ordered our teams based on how different they play at home and away. Who plays the most different at home and away? No, that's the most. Oh, wait. Whoa. Remember, the t-test, the lower the number, the more different they are. Who plays who plays the most different? Packers, right? Totally. Look at these scores. Let's look at the distribution. Look at all these yellow things. I'm talking p-values. I'm going, hey, yellow things. Look at all these scores, guys. On average, all right, stay with me. On average, Green Bay play, so I took the average of what they do at home or how well they perform based on what I predict. On average, Green Bay typically scores 2 more touchdowns than they normally would at home. Anybody been to Lambeau Field? I have. Twice. Oh, who has? You have? Oh, cool. It's a great place to watch a football game anyway. But anyway, so they play better at home, and if you've been to Lambeau, you could see why. Their fans go crazy. Away, if they were playing away, maybe I would, take away 2 points from what I would predict. This is all to help us make our models more accurate. That these teams play different a home and away, and we have to factor this into our model. And that's exactly what we did, and we basically used a t-test to determine what's truly different. Do any teams play better away? Look at your spreadsheets. Who? I heard somebody. What is it? Dallas? Yeah. Dallas at home, they don't score very much, but they do about what's predicted. When you look at what they do away, they typically score 8 more points. Look at Denver. Denver's up here. At home, they typically score 10 more points. And what's that? What'd you say? So here's the deal, basically we can do that. Oh, did you see Oakland's up here? So Oakland, if they're playing away, you don't want to bet on them. Don't bet on Oakland away. By the way, do not bet, period. But
Don't bet unless you know everything.
so this is, all right. So we have done a test. We've done a statistical test to determine difference home and away. Next week, we're going to start bioinformatics. At the end of this course, you're going to basically present something on the NFL or you're going to present something on bioinformatics. So get ready on Tuesday will be the next time I see you. And I'll have a video that I want you to not watch, obviously. Please watch this one. This one's a good one. So, all right. And it all has to do all about Godfathers.
What video is it?